guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this fake 3D text effect on Canva. So add in like a text box, and I'm just going to use this specific font, which is Nectarine, and I'm going to change the text as well. I'm just going to type in lime. You can of course add in anything you want. I'm just going to make it short so I can easily do this tutorial. I'm also going to change the color. You can use any color you want. I'm just going to choose green. Then I'm going to go to the draw bit right here, go to marker, and I am going to create some shadows and highlights. So for the shadow, I'm just going to do this. It doesn't have to look perfect. This is super random. I'm just going to do that, and like another one here and here as well. Then I'm going to add in a kind of mid-tone color. Okay, that isn't different enough. I know it's going to look messy and weird, but just trust the process on this one. And I'm going to then use this white color, but I'm going to make the size a little bit smaller. And I'm going to then add in some highlights here. And then like up here as well. It doesn't have to be the same, it doesn't have to be perfect, but then I'm just going to add one here. Oops. And then I am just going to add a little bit here, and on the E I'm going to add it here, here, and here, and just a little bit here. And it looks weird, but you're just going to select done. Then you're going to select edit image, and you're going to go to adjust, see all, and you are then going to blur it out into the text, and we have this very cool 3D kind of like fake 3D text effect. And you can add in like a color for the background. Oops, maybe not that one, this one I meant. And you can add in some elements to it to just make it pop. I'm just going to add in a lime like this one here. Maybe not this one actually. Maybe something that looks a bit more similar to the like these maybe, but it's like a pro one, so I'm just going to leave it like that. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!